Hi all, I hope you are doing awesome today. Look at this weather outside. Time to go for a walk. Today we are going to visit park in Munich. We have short walk with ducks and geese. This park has a lot of different birds. You can meet ducks, geese, swans, seagulls there. Birds are friendly to people and to each other. They used to get food from people. If you are lucky, you may see a big fish in the water. We weren't lucky today, unfortunately. It might be a good reason to come back. You can't fish in here. I'm waiting when our geese come back to Canada. Geese are a first sign summer is coming for me. As you can see, ducks look different. They are the same type of ducks. Here you can see males and females. This type of duck is called mallard. You can subscribe our channel if you like videos about birds and animals. And be kind with animals, they need this. Have a good weekend. Bye all!